Hi children, welcome to grade 4 English and today we are going to start our new chapter. Yes, chapter number 3, The Fisherman and His Wife. And before getting into our story, let's learn some new words. Filthy, very dirty. Flounder, a type of flat fish that is a variety of fish. Enchanted, charmed or looking very beautiful. Startled, shocked or alarmed. When something unusual happens, we will get shocked, right? That is what we call it as startled. Supplied, when someone is giving us something, we call it as supplied, that is provided. Oppose, to disagree with someone. Oppose, to disagree. Weird, unnatural or unusual. It is also called as strange. And next we are saying, did you know part? The Grimm brothers, Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm, were German academics, cultural researchers and authors. They together collected and published folklore, that means folk tales, during the 19th century. Their first collection of folk tales was called Children's and Household Tales and it was published in 1812. The tales are available in more than 100 languages and have been adapted by filmmakers in films such as Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs and Sleeping Beauty. These are some famous works of Grimm brothers, that is Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. And today we are going to read one of their story. Yes, The Fisherman and His Wife. Yes, are you all ready children? Can we read the story? Yes. And once upon a time, there was a fisherman and his wife. They both lived together in a filthy shack near the sea. Every day, the fisherman went out for fishing. And that day, he fished and fished, but he couldn't find anything. After a very long time, he sat staring into the clear water. Suddenly, his fishing line started shaking and he pulled it out. He had caught a large flounder. And then the flounder said to him, "Listen, fisherman, I beg you to leave me. Please let me live. I am not an ordinary flounder, but an enchanted prince, and I would not taste that good. So please put me back into the water and let me swim." And well, said the man. The fisherman, after hearing the flounder fish talking to him, he left the fish in the water. I can certainly let a fish swim away who knows how to talk. With that, he put it back into the clear water. Then the fisherman went back home. And on that day, the fisherman's wife asked him, "Husband, did you not catch anything today?" And for that, the man said, "I caught a flounder, but he told me that he was an enchanted prince. So I let him swim away." "And did you ask for anything first?" asked the woman. The woman wanted something from the fish. "No," said the man. "What should have I asked for with that fish?" "Oh," said the woman sadly, "it is a terrible thing to live in this shack. It stinks and it's very filthy. So you should have asked for a little cottage for us. So go and ask the flounder to grant you this wish," told the fisherman's wife. And after hearing this, the fisherman actually didn't want to go. But he did not want to oppose his wife too. So he started from there and he went back to the sea. He stood there and called out the flounder fish. The flounder swam up and came to him and asked, "What do you want?" The fisherman told the flounder fish about the entire conversation with his wife. Now the flounder said, "Go back home. Now you can see your wife is already in the cottage." That is, she already has the cottage. Yes, the flounder fish grant the fisherman's wish. That is the fisherman's wife's wish. Yes, and we have seen till this part of the story. Children, now I am going to tell you the homework for today's session. You have to read all the new words with their meanings very carefully, and then you have to make sentences with each of this new word, and also you have to read the did you know part. And after that you have to read the first 2 pages of the story that we have completed today, and you have to get sign from your parents after reading it in front of them. And this is your homework. I hope you are clear with today's session. Take care all of you children. Bye.